Do you remember the triple dirty pour I did a few videos ago? I actually filled 3 large cups, but I ended up using 2 small cups on the outer edges. Well, these are the 2 cups that I had left over, and today I am attempting a kiss pour, which is not an easy thing to get your cups to cooperate. As you can see, I'm already struggling, but I decided to just go for it. I will have the colors listed down below in the description. Yeah, so enjoy this video. I'm gonna throw on some music. It's a short little one. Enjoy, and I will see you at the end for the close-up. If you have watched this far, I want to thank you so very much. If you could leave me some pink hearts down in the comments to let me know that you watched this far, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!